So BJP central leadership has announced your candidature. So how do you look at it? Your first reaction, sir?
I would like to thank the central leadership for giving me the opportunity to be the candidate of Panjim constituency. I was very confident from the day one that the party basically would give me only the candidature of the BJP for Panjim.
Opposition is Congress or TMC?
No, see, as I am saying, we are not going to basically get elected unopposed. There will be other parties also who will be putting their candidates. So I take all candidates basically seriously.
Utpal wants to contest in your constituency.
See, I would not like to comment on what someone has. See, everyone. This is this is democracy. Everyone is entitled and has got a right to contest. So everyone is free to contest. Please come. Sir, no problem. I am a candidate of the BJP.
So you are known to be Tiswadi chief.
No, it is not. See,
chief.
It is not.
BJP has offered Santa Cruz ticket for Utpal Parikar. Will you be supporting him if he
No, as far as I know, that Santa Cruz ticket has not been offered to Mr. Utpal. I think some other constituency has been offered to him. So that news is false of yours. Whatever you are talking about Santa Cruz.
So there are many problems in the Panjim area. So how you will tackle this?
See, as I said, as far as the development is concerned, it is always a continuous process. It takes time. I think most of the issues, whatever I had raised as far as during my elections, most of the issues basically I have fulfilled. So those issues you will basically not see as far as my manifesto is concerned. So then you will understand, you look at my manifesto, my old manifesto, and you look at the new manifesto. So you will find a difference. So work is in progress, work is to be done, and it is, as I said, development is a continuous process.
You said most of the issues have been fulfilled. Any issue that you want to complete?
No. See, complete means what I mean. The ball is rolling. The work has basically started. It is basically time. It is a question of time. I may say when the tender comes, basically it may be 6 months, some maybe 9 months and all this. But most of the issues whichever I have raised last time in my by-election, those things I have basically taken up and will be completed.
So one casino thing also you have promised 100.
Yeah, I know. See, I have not forgotten what I have promised. See, as far as casino issues, I had said that within 100 days I will remove the casino. But the most important thing, after I got elected, I have gone through this issue. Because most important thing is the problem that people are facing in Panjim is that Fontaines areas, Santome area, because of the parking. Because of parking, that is the reason people are... that is causing a traffic jam, it's called congestion as far as those people are concerned, because they cannot even come out of their houses and all. So that is the basically issue which the traffic police, we have already done the arrangement as far as traffic police is concerned. As far as the removing of the casinos are concerned, I have seen to it, and there are many people who are doing business in Panjim. They met me and they said, the moment if casinos are basically gone away from here, then basically we lose business, because we are basically depending fully on the casinos. So that was the issue. So as far, see, I said I will take out within 100 days. My main issue was as far as I was concerned as far as the residents are concerned. So as far as the residents issue is concerned, I think we will solve the residents issue. So once that issue is concerned, those people as far as San Tome and all that area is concerned, that will not basically it will not create a problem for them.
If Utpal not supporting, will be there any impact on your different?
See, I say what I said. I said there are so many candidates. There is AAP will be fielding candidate, Congress will be fielding. Then there are so many parties which I found. Some there will be maybe so many independents also. See, ultimately, I know the people of Panjim very well. I have been running the corporation for the past this is the fourth term. I am not new to Panjim. I have been elected in spite of all the odds. I have been elected in my by-election as far as Panjim is concerned.
But so, that time you were with Congress. Now you will be with BJP. So
see, first of all, you should understand this constituency, Panjim constituency, was held by the BJP for the past 25 years. It is only after Mr. Manohar Parikar passed away that is the time basically I managed to capture this constituency. Actually, if you go to see this, this is more of a BJP constituency.
most of the time people in Panjim require jobs. So this becomes a biggest issue.
See, not only Panjim, full Goa requires jobs. If basically one minister only puts jobs in one constituency, then how do you expect other people from other 38 constituencies to get job? So basically, chief minister should streamline the job process is concerned. As we said that there is that recruitment, some board they were supposed to come up a commission, whatever. That I am sure. Yeah, and the staff service commission, whatever. That once that comes up, I think that job issue will be streamlined.
So opposition is trying to gag you up with criminal cases, sir. How do you look at it?
See, this criminal cases of mine is basically foisted upon me. Okay. Now I believe in the judicial system. Now it is only that the judiciary, the machinery of judiciary is taking time. Otherwise, by now, I would have been cleared as far as those cases are concerned. Now, as far as now, see, from 2002, some cases or other has come upon me. I have been fighting this election. I am a MLA for 4 terms. I have contested Panjim election in spite of these cases being on me at that time also. So there is nothing new to me.
As a BJP MLA, what do you think in entire Goa, as a BJP MLA, how much is the powerful BJP right now?
See, BJP is powerful only. See, I look at it, the major development whichever has taken place, you see in the past 10 years is been done by our government, by the BJP basically government. And we see basically as far as the support is concerned, as I said, the chief minister has said it's 22 seats in 22. But I am saying it's going to be 27 and plus 27 plus in 2022.
So in Tiswadi you are saying all
You are claiming 5 seats of BJP for Tiswadi.
Definitely. See, I am saying 5 seats of as far as Tiswadi is concerned. I am taking on what basis I am making this claim. Is very simple. Where Madkekar is concerned, he is strong in his own constituency. He got his base. As far as Silvera is concerned, he is strong in his own constituency. He's got his base. Now, as far as Talegaon and Panjim, we are represented. As far as Santa Cruz is concerned, we have asked for certain changes. Now, let's see if party listens to our claim.
So Michael Lobo has left the party. So do you think that there will be an impact on the BJP?
No. See, number one, Michael Lobo has left for he is contesting on a different party, Congress. So our fight basically will be with the Congress only. So there is
opposition will be BJP versus Congress.
See, BJP versus all. It is basically all of them are trying to gang up together because they feel that BJP is so strong that individually they will not be able to fight the BJP.
Will Michael affect BJP?
In what way, I don't understand. Michael was actually controlling one constituency of his, Kalangut. Now basically his wife wants to contest this thing. I wish her all the best. I wish Michael also. We have been colleagues. So I hope to see him in the assembly.
So he also claims that the Pardes will be the Michael Lobo.
No, I cannot talk anything about this. I am talking about as far as Tiswadi. I have given you the breakup also of Tiswadi. On what basis I am telling you that I am claiming Tiswadi.
So, So are you happy with the list? The list came today 34. Because a lot of the present MLA didn't get this thing.
They have not got the tickets.
The one MLA which you have
We
raised
were
a question
exposed.
about the job.
So that means you should understand that BJP has taken a serious note of this. So we should basically thank the leadership for taking a note because it is a question of lives of our youth. So BJP and so it clearly sends a message to anyone playing with the lives of our youth will not be tolerated by our government.
Babush, you have spoken about the health minister also, but they have given.
See, there are two different issues. As far as he is concerned, he has given many of the jobs as far as his constituency is concerned. Where I felt, or I feel, or others also feel, basically it should be equally distributed. That is a different issue. See, allegation here is as far as money is concerned. So that was the issue.
So do you think job should be go on merit or the
See,
ability
I basically firmly believe that jobs should be on merit. But others also the jobs what you are getting on merit only.
सर पणजीची डेव्हलपमेंट पळयता प्रचाराचे तुमचे मुद्दे कितें आसतले अशें दिसता?
प्रचाराचे मुद्दे म्हणजे आम्ही पहिले सांगलेले आहा आमचे गेले पाटी मॅनिफेस्टो बाय इलेक्शन मॅनिफेस्टो आहा एंड हे मॅनिफेस्टो पळय चेंजीस आसतले चेंजीस इन अ सेन्स आमी कितें केल्लेलें आहा वा आमी कितें पायप लायनान आहा ते आमचे इश्यू ह्या मॅनिफेस्टोन दिसची पडचे ना सो यू वील नो वॉट इज द डेव्हलपमेंट वीच वी हॅव टेकन फॉरवर्ड And now what happened? See, now what happened?
Santini Creek,
There's a reason I'm saying Santini Creek will not be mentioned in our manifesto. So you should understand.
Thank you.
Yeah.